Learn and play with Loshini.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, today we're going to do 3 science experiments.
Surface tension with water
Surface tension with milk.
and density test.
Surface tension with water experiment. Surface tension is a force which causes a layer of liquid to behave like an elastic sheet or skin. The high surface tension of water allows insects to walk over it.
For the surface tension with water experiment, what all we need?
We need some glitter and a plate
Okay.
and a butt, see,
Okay.
and a dishwash soap and some water.
Okay. Can you show us how to do it?
Okay, so first we need to put some water in.
Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream.
Now we're going to put the butt inside the dishwash soap.
Okay.
Dip, dip, dip. And
Okay.
then put it in the middle.
Okay. Wow. Good. I like it so much.
Science behind surface tension with water. Water has higher surface tension. In a container of water, molecules below the surface are attracted to each other equally in all directions. The surface tension hole is caused by the washing liquid reducing the surface tension of the water. This allows the particles of water at the surface to spread out, starting from where the washing liquid was added. Surface tension with milk experiment.
For the surface tension with milk experiment, what all we need?
So we need a plate and food coloring and again dishwash soap and some milk.
Okay.
Loo, loo. Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Shoo fly shoo.
The color spreads in the water, in the milk.
Shoo fly shoo. Skip.
Science behind surface tension with milk experiment. Surface tension of milk lower than water. Free fatty acids and proteins appear to be the surface active constituents, causing the surface tension of milk to be lower than that of water. The washing liquid disrupts the surface tension of the milk, which makes food coloring spread out just like the water. Density test experiment.
For the density test, what all we need?
So we need some food coloring, cooking oil, water, some honey, and a glass.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory.
Science behind density test experiment. Normally heavier substances tend to settle to the bottom, lighter material tends to float on top. The oil, which has the least density, floats on the water. But the honey, which has the maximum density, settles at the bottom. This happens because each of the 3 liquid have different densities.
So we're going to test the density with dropping all these objects into this.
Okay. Let's start.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget, like, share and subscribe.